I'm replacing my Trane Weathertron, BAY28X138A, with a Nest, 3rd Gen. The old wiring is as follows: O, orange R, red T, purple, dark brown. G, green Y, yellow X2, black B, blue W, white F, PinkWhat with the new pattern B for the 3rd Gen, Nest.
My name is I am happy to assist you today. Please read my entire reply before responding. Please provide as much information as possible about the situation to help me provide as accurate an answer as possible. Along the way you will receive an offer for a live phone call for an additional fee. We have some excellent experts who work by phone, and if available one may be able to work with you by phone. I personally am not set up for accepting phone calls. The offer is optional, and if you choose to work with another expert by phone, that is fine. I will still continue to help here and chat as long as needed with no time limit. Once you accept the offer, you will be billed for the additional service of a live phone call, and I have no control over billing or making other experts call you. So if you do not want to be billed the additional fee, do not accept or ask for a phone call. Give me a couple of minutes to type.
Attaching a photo of the existing connections.
Stand by while I draw. Here you go. Now I will type what each does. O is reversing valve. It goes to OBR as 24V power. It goes to RCT went to a thermistor and outdoor not used tape off. G controls fan. It will go to GY controls compressor contactor. It will go to Y1X2 as emergency heat. It will go to the B as 24V common. It goes to CW as backup/O heat. It will go to W2/OF went to a malfunction light. Also not use tape off. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Please use the stars at top of the page to do this before you go, so I am credited with assisting you. Thanks again. I am here if you have further questions. Please remember to use the 5 stars across top of page to rate answer so question shows answered. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.